I should be live on both Twitter and YouTube. Let me check. Hopefully, I am. Okay, stream is up. Let me reset the timer. And tweet about it, and then we can start. Okay, just a second. I can't find the correct meme for some reason. I was trying to figure out this Ted Lasso live. If you don't remember, I don't know. But there is one meme, right? Where he pronounces live as live. I wanted to use that. Okay, anyway, so I can't. Okay, ignore everything else. Yesterday we had issue with not being able to. Oh, now there is no issue. Yeah, this issue is always we should just simplify the whole thing. We don't need this. We don't need this because we are directly using ABI from the JSON file. Can I instead of populating transaction, can I just let's remove this part? What happens? Message out of bounds. Why? Timestamp. Okay, I don't understand this. Okay, we will use this so you guys can also read this. Okay, it's picking the wrong window. Let me change that. Properties. Okay. Ethos v6 popular transaction. No. Oh, should we try that? And see what we get. Okay, now we get an error. Why am I getting this error? Let's see what it comes up with. But method dot popular transaction. Okay, that's good. We should have read that. In milliseconds. Okay. Math dot floor 1000. Still getting the same error. Anyway, don't know why, but okay, maybe we should see. Deposit v3. It's why does the timestamp, we get the timestamp from timestamp, and it is, we get it from here. Okay, I know why this is happening. This is the issue. We are going, it's uint 32 not 256. Let's open across docs and then try to figure out deposit v3. Code timestamp. Deadline for failure is to fill deposit after this destination chain timestamp. The fill will revert on destination chain. Okay, the fill will revert on destination chain. Must be set between current timestamp plus deadline buffer. Anyway, what's the deadline buffer? Current timestamp, logged out timestamp, or transaction. Let me adjust this somewhat. Okay. Yeah, so it's between deadline buffer. What's a fit deadline buffer? Do we have something? Okay, so we don't have anything related to deadline buffer. We might have to go n across protocol GitHub, and then we'll just go through contract and see if there is something. No. So we can. Okay, I'm not gonna log in here. There is also one S, right? Yes, it's the deadline buffer. It's for each constructor. What's we are doing it on Arbitrum, right? Supported chains, testnet. Okay, we have the available routes. Do we okay, let's go to Arbitrum. Arbitrum. Okay, spoke pool is the next part. Is figuring out contract address. Original. It's a proxy. Okay, buffer. It's the Let me console log the timestamp and run it again. So this is correct. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What? Really? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we just have to divide by one more zero. I know that's okay. That works. And uncommented. Missing revert data. Okay, gas estimate. Can I can like set gas rate. Let's see if that works. Missing revert data info params. What else? I got this error. Anyway, it will be most probably just setting these parameters at the end. Oh, okay. We haven't checked it. No, base. Yes, address is correct. 6F 0F 8F 6F 0F 8F. Okay, that's correct. Oh, sorry. I was looking at this. And let me open this again. We did verify ensure from addresses copy. Do we have funds? Oh. Okay, no. From to. We do have funds. We do have funds here. You can check this. Validate arguments. Should we try this? Okay, for now we should just keep it. It will be the same, right? Static call result. Static call. Will it work? Call exception. Missing revert data each call. Do we need? I'm not sure if we need this. Need to add signer here. Still, we should at least try. No. I tried to do static call but got this error. They said do static call. Okay, let's see. We can parse the data and see if it's correct or not. Okay. We have the call data. Should we parse it? Cons decoded data equal to contract dot interface dot decode function data, and yeah, I guess that's that. F1, these two are correct. Oh, these two these two values, like the quote timestamp and fill deadline, it should be different, right? We are adding okay, not sure why. Timestamp plus 21,600. Oh, is it to timestamp? Okay, I don't know how they convert it. Let me just. Okay, now things have changed. What's this? Exclusive relay. Okay, that's correct. Exclusivity parameter 0. This is correct. All all of these things are correct. And we are still getting an error. Where is this? Okay, try. Try catch. Error during static call. Missing revert data. Should we check what's. I want to check the talks again. Yeah. UN 256 chain ID. Okay, these three things are UN 32. So we have given the correct values. Next, these three things are UN 256, which is okay. Sorry, UN 256, then 4 addresses, and we have 4 addresses. I still don't understand why we are getting an error. Anyway, if we can't figure that out, then what should we do? Maybe I'll just ask ChatGPT. Let me copy all of these lines. I am getting following error here. Error. Shit. Sorry about that. My internet went down for, I don't know, few 10 seconds or so, and we lost some frames. But I wasn't talking uh, in that period, so you didn't miss anything. I think I understand the issue. Let me check here. Value, input amount. Let's see. Okay, that's great. We are not sending the ETH with it. Let's remove this part, we don't need it. And this and this. Almost all of it. We don't need this. Not this. No, we don't need this. Also don't need this. We can keep this part. Can okay, gas estimation. Okay, we do have sufficient we are sending sufficient token amount of tokens, but there is some issue. Do we have provider? Yeah, we do have JSON provider RPC. It says approve ERC-20 token, but we don't need to approve it, at least in this scenario. Then balance of input tokens, balance of output token is greater than 0. Okay, we will just try, and where is this? Yeah, signer dot estimate gas, and then we can send the transaction request. Let's comment that out for now. To contract address. Okay, everything else is here. Yeah, we can just run it and see if we get something. Oh wait, we don't need all of this. Const gas limit equal to, and maybe we can try it here. Gas limit, will it work? No, still same thing. Our static call worked, our our actual call didn't. So what's up with that? My static call to the function works, but actual call doesn't. Why? Missing approval. Okay, it again it's saying missing approval. Only relay checks message allowance. But allowance shouldn't matter in this scenario. If we check this, we were we read it right. We don't actually have to send any tokens if we are using native tokens, and that's the issue. Anyway, let me just open this part. Composable bridging. Just give me a second. Okay, native token. Yeah, you see this? How do I deposit ETH instead of WETH? To deposit ETH or native token for network, set XYZ amount to message this. When depositing WETH, input amount should be ETH or WETH. Input amount should be same, and input token should be WETH address for current chain. And I know the address is correct. The WETH address, where is it? Where is it? Okay, is there because we are taking it from the route, right? Let's go to where is supported chains available routes, and this is the route, right? Not this exactly, but if you see, sorry, if you see this, I guess this is the address. Decoded, call data equal to decoded. Okay. Let's try to run it. Remove this part, or at least comment it out. And we'll see the correct values. We want to send it to Arbitrum, right? How are we deciding chain ID? Destination chain ID. Okay, remove this. Let's go to no, not this address. You see, it's correct. Should we actually do like weth instead of eth? And maybe let's see if that works. We have the origin token. Write to contract. Okay, base Apolia, that's okay. Let's try it here. 0.005. Okay, let me connect it first. Right. And the approve address should be spoke pull contract. So this copy, let me cross check. No, supported chains. Oh, sorry, I'm on V. We need v3 docs. Supported chains. Then go to base. Go here. Copy the address. We know it's same. Let's write. We approved it. Now we'll uncomment this, remove this part because that's not needed now. We are using ERC-20 and ERC-20 is approved. still same error. Okay, maybe we should just write it in Solidity. It's much simpler. Foundry API call GitHub. Okay, let's ignore this. We are solving one single error, the whole stream. It's like estimation error. For some reason, we have approval, we have everything. Then where is it going wrong? Deposit decode function. Oh no. Oh no. Don't tell me. This was the issue. Okay, let's remove this part. We don't need this. We'll just set it to 1, 2, 3, 100,000 and try to execute it. Cannot use an operator to search chain ID and okay, this is new error at least. That's a good thing. If we do this, what error do we get? Oh, we didn't. We should have. We didn't add the contract address. Shit. Okay. We got our transaction through. Let's check if we actually did it. Yes, we did it. Okay, that's great. Let's wait for a while and check it on Arbitrum. Arbitrum Sepolia Explorer, and we'll find our contract address. Sorry, our wallet address. This is not our wallet address. This is. Internal transaction 20 seconds ago. We got it. now we have to also want to interact with this API endpoint, which actually checks the status status, not status of the deposit, where when we send the transaction we'll get this, right? Let's check if we have to listen. Get logs emitted by the transaction. Sorry, we want this funds deposited find log with name and decode it. Okay, that's good. We can ignore this. We don't need receipt. Okay, now what? Now we have everything. Anyway, we did get our transaction through, and we should check. Yeah, we'll do this tomorrow. The API to check the status, and yeah, I guess tomorrow we'll also read about the other part, which is fill deadline. Contracts, selected functions, okay. And this part, composable bridging, and write a contract to handle message. Okay, yes, we are gonna end this early, but yeah, that's about it. There is no but there. Let me know if you like the stream and if I can improve anything on Twitter, on I don't know, YouTube comments, on my email if you find it. Yeah, though that's the idea. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, nothing. You hopefully you are as interested as me in reading more about Across and seeing how all the things work. Anyway, other thing, next thing is, if you haven't subscribed on YouTube, please do subscribe, it helps me. If you are not following me on Twitter, please go and do that. And if you want to learn more about these streams, go in the YouTube description where we have a Notion page which tracks all the streams and tells you what we did there. Anyway, that's about it for this stream. Hopefully you liked it, and see you guys tomorrow, same time. Have a nice day.